Good morning, beautiful people. I am excited because I'm going on a one-day trip to Dallas, which is about 5 hours. So we're taking a turnaround trip. I'm taking family shoot today, and I'm excited to show you a little behind the scenes of what a day in the life of a photographer is like. Today I'm a photographer. I guess entrepreneurship is all the time, but you know, today's the day. Okay, see you soon, and I'm excited. So I don't know about y'all and what you're going through, but if you're watching this, it feels like I'm in a very deep transition, almost like I'm in a cocoon, and the Lord is revealing to me who I am. Like, it's a deep transition, and it's tough, but then I'm so excited because what comes out of a cocoon is a butterfly, right? We all know that. But one prayer point my mom gave me years ago was, Lord, expand my territory and help me to respond to opportunities as they come. And I'm just taking any opportunity that the Lord allows and gives me grace to do, like going on this trip to Dallas. It's a one-day trip, but it's also an opportunity for me to share my gifts and talents and just see it in a new way. So I'm so excited. I think I want a Wagoneer. I'm wondering what was behind me. It's a whole duck. Like, what are you doing in the yard? Wow. It's a great shoot. A beautiful family walking. All right, bye.
Uh-oh, here we go, Michelle.
Well, no.
Ooh, baby, run slow. Ah! Hey! What a joke.